Hey there, this is Mary Lee with Easy Budget, and I'm excited you want to learn more about this small business budget spreadsheet. So really quickly, I want to show you what this spreadsheet is, what's included so that you know what you're getting, and also explain to you what kind of business this spreadsheet is going to work great for and what kind of business this spreadsheet won't work very well for. So first, let's talk about what kind of business this spreadsheet is going to work well for. If you are a solopreneur, a side hustler, or you have a very small business, this is going to be perfect for you. If you're not really keeping track of your business's income, expenses very well, you have no budget, you don't really know how and when you can actually pay yourself, and you want to get a lot more organized with all of that, then this is going to be perfect for you. If you're a medium to large size business and you really need to be doing proper accounting, like maybe you even need an accountant or you have an accountant, and then this might not work best for you. So actual business accounting is going to include net profit, operating profit, and gross profit, and it's going to include a cash flow statement, a balance sheet, and a profit and loss statement. That's all business accounting. Now, if you need all of that for your business because you're trying to grow and scale and there's a lot of metrics in your business that you need to keep track of in order to do so, and let's say you have over $200,000 in sales, possibly even some employees, then this is probably not going to be the right spreadsheet for you. But if you have less than $200,000 per year in sales in your business and you're a solopreneur or you have a very small business or you're a side hustler, then this is going to work really well for you. If you want to start budgeting better for your business, figuring out what your income, expenses, and profits are every single month in your business and figuring out how and when you can pay yourself. That's what this is going to be ideal for. All right, so now really quick, let me show you the spreadsheet and we're almost done here. So here's what's included. Every single month, you'll see a different little section here for each piece of your budget. So what you're going to see is January, and then if we scroll over to the right here, you'll see February, March, April. There's a little section here for every month of the year, so you're going to keep track of a detailed budget for every single month of the year. What you'll see is a column here, rather, to write in the date, the name of each transaction that's happening in your business, any expense or income. And then right here for each transaction, you'll either write in whether it was an income, an expense, or whether it was a transaction in which you were actually paying yourself out of your business checking account. So you'll mark it there. Then at the end of each month, it's going to total up for you your revenue, your expenses, and with those two numbers, we'll calculate the profit for the month. And if you paid yourself any money that month, then we're going to keep track of that right here. We'll also keep track of the annual totals right here. And this section right here is going to keep track of your bank balance so we can make sure that we're getting all of our transactions entered properly. This right here is going to match up with our checking account balance for your business bank account, just to make sure you've got everything in here clearly. At the end of every month, I want you to very clearly understand how much your business made, how much your expenses were for your business, how much your profit was, and how much you can pay yourself. That's the purpose of a spreadsheet. So I'm going to do a more detailed tutorial once you've made your purchase. You're going to get kind of a mini course on how to budget / more detailed tutorial. Plus I have it all written out here on the spreadsheet with an example so you can read through it if you do a little bit better with visually seeing the words written out. So that's all for this tutorial, and I really hope that you enjoyed taking a sneak peek into this business spreadsheet. If you decide to purchase this spreadsheet, I really hope it gets you more organized in your business so that you can pay more attention to what you need to do to grow and scale your business and enjoy it and not be stressing out about the financials. So that's all for today. This is Mary Lee with Easy Budget, and I'm out.